It's time to do some wrenching. Okay, I'm going to be putting this power assist module into 2007 Saturn IM. Got this at Rock Auto. And this is what it looks like. And we'll be putting it into this car here. Okay, so let's get at it. Okay, the problem with the car is she has no power steering. She's been without the power steering, I guess, for a couple months now. She had the same problem before. They fixed it at a garage, but that was a couple years ago. And she went to bring it back, but they said the warranty ran out. So I'm doing it for her now and see what happens. I'll just change out the motor. That's what they did. And hopefully that's what it is. So, okay, we'll start with taking this off. Just squeeze this in, bring it down, and just pull it out. It just snaps in. Yeah, no problem. Okay, what I can do is I can put my hands right through that hole, through here, to get to the motor. You can see the motor right here, and that module. So let's see if we can get this underneath. Okay, I'm going to get the top one here. There's a clip up there. You got a wire that's clipped up. There's a wire up that's up there that you got to unclip. It's in the way. You get at the top one. I know you can't see me at the top one, but there's no room up there, so. There's one out. Just two bolts holding it on that I can see. It should come right out. Yep. Yeah, there she is. And let me follow that wire, see where it goes. Okay, it clips up here. Let's see if I can get it out. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Pretty easy. Two bolts. It just snaps in. This top bolt was a little hard to get at. Otherwise, pretty easy. Now, just reverse. You can check out the new one. Yeah, they look identical.
Okay, you're probably wondering what that screw is for. Well, I started taking the screws off the plastic panel that's mounted below the steering wheel. And then I realized that wasn't necessary, so I scrapped that idea along with the video that I started making. I put the screws back in after I was done. Okay, back to the video.
Okay, reverse order. Right here. Okay, it's clipped in. I just gotta put the two bolts in and that's it. Okay. Okay, I've got the motor just sitting in there. I just got to get the bolts in. Okay, got the bottom one started. We can get the top one. Oh, I hit the camera. Okay, I got it started. Now I just got to do is tighten down. Okay. Okay, there she is inside. Pretty easy job. All you need to do is take this out. No need to take this off. It's metal here anyway, so you can only get through this hole. And you can get from underneath too, but I had the camera underneath, so I was working through this hole. Okay, so what you gotta do is put this back in. Squeeze it, and then this clips in. That's it. And now to see if she works. Okay, now to try it out. Start it up. Okay, let's see. Look at that, power steering. Yes. Oh, she'll be happy over this one. Alright, because she was driving like this for a couple months, I guess. With no power steering, that kind of, sucks. Hey, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up.